To demonstrate the functionality of costing a recipe, we will enter a recipe for basil pesto. Moving to a new record. Enter the recipe name. We can assign a category to the recipe. Factor in labor rate. Preparation time. The number of units in the recipe. This is used to calculate per unit costs. And enter cooking method or instructions. Build your recipe by selecting from your existing materials. Enter the required weights. Or, add ingredient as a new material. Click the Calculate Recipe button to analyze costs. Basil pesto cost is $21 per kilo and $8.40 per unit. You can calculate selling price based on an unlimited number of set margins. Adjust the actual selling price to calculate the cost of goods percentage that you require. Alternatively, you can entering a retail price calculate the retail margin percentage. You can save the recipe as a material for usage in other recipes. Calculated recipe costs are carried through to the new material. On the other tab, you can assign characteristics to the recipe. Allergens list is automatically updated from materials. We can find and attach a picture of the recipe so the kitchen knows what our finished product should look like. A recipe card is available for the kitchen. Right-click the report to access pop-up menu options. You can open a report for the recipe. Context help is available and can be dumped to a text file for ease of reading.